Welcome back to week 2 of Striking with Objects. This week we are going to use paddles or plates for our striking lessons. I'm going to show you how to make your very own paddle using a plastic knife and a paper plate, and your very own ball using a rubber glove. Because we probably, almost all of us, have these in our house right now. And if you don't, I would recommend going to the store and getting a balloon. So, I have duct tape, a paper plate, and a plastic knife. So you are going to first take some duct tape, get it ready, use about this much, cover the wider part of the knife with it, then attach it to the plate, the back side of the plate. So you can see I have put the long strip on it, and I still have about a couple feet of my knife able to use. And then I'm going to take another strip of tape and reinforce the knife in this direction so that it's less likely to come undone. So here's my paddle. Now, for my rubber glove, you're going to take the hole where you put your hand in. You are going to blow in it. And now we have a balloon or a ball that we are going to be using for our paddle lessons. So to tie it off, you just tie it just like you would if you were tying a balloon. So you kind of stretch it. Let me see if I can show you that. You stretch it. Tie it around your finger. Which it's a little bit more difficult than a regular balloon because it is so much wider than a regular balloon. But eventually I'll get it. All right, so let's hope that's good enough. I got most of it in there, as you can see. There's a little bit hanging out. Let's just hope that it stays this way. And now we are going to have our week's challenge, which this week I thought it would be appropriate to do a bicycle kick challenge because, well, everybody wants to be outside on their bikes, but if you don't have a bike or if you're not able to go outside, well, we are going to do another COVID-19 song for our warm-up and get started with our bicycle challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and get back down on the floor and bring my music with me. All right, bicycle kicks, here we go. See how many you can do.
I'm sick of this. Why you trying to ruin my life? Corona. Oh, I wanna take a trip on a ship, but they went and canceled my cruise. Corona. Finals never stop. Pretty hands are dirty. I can't even touch my own face. Drive me crazy. Goodbye, Corona. Don't you dare move closer, hon. One can never be too safe. Oh, I wanna kiss my wife, even ruined my love life. Finals never stops. Green and she hands are dirty. I can't even touch my own face. Drive me crazy now. Goodbye, Corona. Goodbye, Corona. Oh, I wish this would just go away.
It's also canceled due to the coronavirus. COVID-19. Related to COVID-19.
COVID-19, yeah, whatever that means at this moment, wrecking everything. I don't wanna stress, but oh, what a mess. So be careful, wash your hands till they bleed. Get lost, nasty.
All right, everybody.
19, get lost, nasty COVID-19.
Hope you enjoyed today's song, today's warm-up, and how to make a paddle and a ball. So I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow, where we will do our first paddle challenge. How many times can you hit the ball? Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe, stay sane, stay active, and stay healthy.